What's happening, everybody? Mad Modders. I see a bunch of you received your Mad Modder DNA200 today, and I want to go over some basic operations procedures with you. Let's get right down to it. First thing you want to do is you want to select what material you're going to use. You're going to use nickel, you're going to use canthol, you're going to use titanium, you're going to use a combination. First thing you want to do is make sure this is locked by holding those two buttons down. It is now locked. If you'll take this top button and press it 2 times, you can select your material. Stainless steel haywire, nickel, canthol, and so on and so on. Uh-oh, I'm setting up nickel now, so I got nickel, lock it in. Alright. Next thing I want to do is unlock this. You want to set your power now, and it was close to where I wanted. I wanted it 50, but just to show you, set your power now, right? So you got it set locked in at 50. Now hold those 2 buttons again. It's locked. Check atomizer. This thing it's in fire mode right now. So put my nickel coil in here, my atomizer. Next thing you want to do is set your temperature. You'll do that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hold these 2 buttons down. Hold to change temp. Okay, 450 degrees, that's where I wanted it. You could drop it, you could raise it, whatever you want to do. 450 degrees is about where I like it. So hitting this 1 time locks it in at 450 degrees. Hitting it 5 more times gets you back in fire mode. And now you're set. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. As you notice, as this gets to your set temperature, what will happen is the Mad Modder will flash to let you know that you have reached maximum temperature. Okay, if you'll notice, there is a lock next to my resistance. You can lock your resistance. It is possible to do by holding these 2 buttons. Actually, I think you have to be in lock mode to do it. Okay. Hold to lock ohms. It's unlocked now. There's an ohm symbol there. I'm using these pre-built coils. There's no reason for them to fluctuate, so I'll lock them. You don't have to. It's locked. And that's basic operations right there. Same thing if you wanted to use nickel, if you wanted to use titanium, you wanted to use stainless steel, canthol, whatever, go through the same procedure. Remember, 5 clicks. Hold these 2 buttons down, set your temperature. 1 click locks it in, 5 more clicks gets you back in fire mode. Alright. So, there's your basic operations. I hope you found this a little bit helpful. I hope you can navigate your way through. And I hope I unlock this before I hit it. A few other things I wanted to go over. There are possibilities you could plug the your USB into your computer and get into this chip. I highly, highly recommend not to do it. The reason being, the Mad Modder spent lots of time and energy doing research and working with Evolve to make sure that all the specific data was in there for each one of those wires. There was a lot of programming went into it, a lot of time and energy that went into it. All that was put on your chip before you received it, and besides that, it's not going to be warranted if you go into it and make changes. So there's really no reason to. This thing comes out of the box ready to go. You know, The MAD Modder has put out many products, many different products. I have to say, hands down, this is probably the best to date right here. There's nothing like this chip. It's very enjoyable. Gives you a lot of control of, you know, what your vape experience is going to be, how you want your vape to taste, you know, the temperature. This thing's unbelievable. You know, I've got other mods here. I've got mods here. You got mods here. You know what? Right now they're collecting dust. They just are. Nothing like the DNA200. Again, I hope you found this useful in some way. I hope it's helped you. If there's any questions, clickety-clack right down here. I'll be glad to answer them. And vape on, guys. Peace.